What's going on, my fellow YouTubians? Back again. I know it's been about a week or so, but just want to show you guys doing this quick review on the Ruger Mini 14 here. This one here is the 223/5.56. So you could either shoot both of those type of ammo. So they make three different types of these Mini here. They have this one, then they have the all-weather Mini 30, which is the you can get it in 6.8 millimeter Remington, or the 6.8 by 43, and that one equals almost, and the 7.62 by 39. So those are the different minis that they make, Ruger makes. But this one here, like I said, it's the Mini 14, so do quick glance at it. And like I said, these have been harder to find. I went to a gun show in Virginia, and I was able to pick this one up at a steal. These are easily going for from $1,000 to $1,500. So, you know, like I said, I was fortunate to get this one brand new in a box. So as you can see, the manufacturer. Here's your standard 5-round mag that it comes with. And it's just an amazing piece here. This one here is what's considered your ranch rifle. That's the name. So, like I said, with this one came the two scope mounts for it. So that's what I'm debating next, on what type of scope to get. And little mix in here. Here's my new 2004 Kookaburra that I picked up. I think I just watched the M3 Silver, another YouTubian. He picked up the set, which was I've never seen before, but just an amazing piece. Like I said, these had about a low mintage of 300,000, so that was a good pickup that he did for the price he got it at. So congrats. So just wanted to show that one in, and back to the Ruger. So like I said, these have been harder to find. So do a quick glance over. Let me turn it around. On the other side, let me know what you guys think. Let's see here. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. I'll do another quick video following this one. Just me holding it and showing you the functions of it. So let me see if it'll show here. Let me see if I can get it there. Hold still here. There we go. As you can see, there it is. Your Ruger Ranch Rifle 223. Like I said, these are the two sections here and over. Sorry about that. And over here, where you apply your scope mounts. Alright guys, let me do another video of me holding it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, back again, giving you guys an overview from a different angle, what it actually looks like. So, quick glance, like I said, Ruger Mini 14, .223 caliber. So, show you guys a couple quick functions of this firearm. Like I said, it's already locked back to the rear. No ammunition. Like I said, here's your bolt plug. Slide it forward. And to lock the bolt to the rear on this firearm, there's a nipple on the left hand side. So you'll pull your bolt back, press the nipple, and it locks in the bolt. Just like that. And then, like I said, here is your other safety switch. Back, it's on safe. Forward is disengaged. So there it is. And then, like I said, here's your 5-round standard magazine that it comes with. And with any Ruger, put it in an angle and it locks in. There it is. Then because it doesn't have any ammo, it won't let the bolt slide forward, I believe. So when I take the mag out, oh yeah, here's your mag release here. So it just slides on out just like that. Then slides the bolt forward. So let's do this one real quick. See what you guys think. And here is the Ruger Mini 14. So hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Got another one coming up. I'm going to do a review on the Chinese SKS that I purchased. Just waiting for some paperwork on that one. And hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm trying to do it here a little different, trying to get back on my firearms collection. Hope you guys like. Let me know what you guys would like to see. What's next on my list. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so keep stacking and keep stacking some ammo as well. Take care.